Da pacem Domine in diebus nostris, quia non est alius, qui
Hammershus have been used from the 1200 to the 1700 as a castle. There are many relic plants here brought by the Crusaders.
The relic plant henbane has historically been used in combination with other plants as an anesthetic, and because of its psychoactive and hallucinogenic properties, as a key ingredient for many magic potions. Henbane, even in small doses, can be lethal. Strong potions of it have been used for poisoning. The poison was also often added to arrow tips. The name comes from people burning it in chicken coops, thus sedating the chickens, making them easier to steal. A single plant produces about 500,000 seeds, which can survive in the ground for hundreds of years. That is why today we sometimes see henbane near old buildings where digging recently has occurred. One of the main poisonous substances in henbane is scopolamine, which is well known for being used during World War II as a truth serum.
The mullein is a plant native to the European mainland, Asia and North Africa. It's rarely an aggressive invasive species, since the plant does not tolerate shade from other plants. The plant can grow up towards 2 meters after its first year in its life cycle. The plant was used as a medicine against dry cough, bronchitis and sore throat, but also against hemorrhoids, athlete's foot, sores and rashes. People used it in teas as a smoke and infusions from the leaves and flowers. The plant did have other uses, such as dye. The stem was used as a torch and people believed it warded off curses and evil spirits. The monks used the stem as a fishing rod because its anesthetic properties. The fish would float to the top of the water, so they could easily pick them up. Today, it's used as teas, and the flower are used against eczema and to heal wounds.
The spotted marsh orchid is a robust orchid with a thick stem and tightly grouped purple flowers. It flowers in May and grows up to 40 centimeters high. The leaves are often spotty on the top side. It's the most common type of orchid in Denmark, however its numbers have rapidly decreased, mainly because of agriculture. It is now only seen in a few places. Its roots look like testicles and ergo they were thought of as brilliant aphrodisiacs. The old dried up roots were believed to have the exact opposite effects. Monks ate them in order to live their life in chastity. Fresh roots were grated and used as a mild binding medication. Young juicy roots were eaten to counteract impotence. If pregnant women ate the large fresh roots, she would have a boy. If she wanted a girl, she would eat the small roots instead. Today the plant is protected, therefore it must not be picked, dug up, collected or destroyed in any manner.